go to the Tools panel and set the colours to black and white. I'm going to use them during the video. With that, just go here and set Rectangle Tool. I'm going to use Rectangle. You could use other shapes as well. Go up here and use the Pixels option. With that, simply go to the document and set the colour to black initially and simply just drag down or drag across. You can do that as well. And with these black and white lines, and again you can just go over here, change it to white and add a white line as well. Now what you can do, go to your Libraries panel. Here's the Libraries panel. You can find that in the Window menu. Go to this little plus. There's a little plus here. Click there. Extract from Image. With that, brings this panel up. Patterns. By default, it goes with this one. But what you need to do is go to this one, the Hexagon one. So click here. And now you can see this image comes from that. And you can move this around, reposition it, and you can see it will generate a hexagon design. You can modify the scale as well as rotation, but I'm going to leave it at 1 and 0. To save it to your library, simply click Save to CC Library. So just click, it's now been added. And you can then reposition it, just move it around. And you can see you get more interesting designs each and every time. Again, Save to CC Libraries. And once you're happy with that, click Close. You can now see you've got all of these here. What you can then do is you can select one of them and then right click. And there's an option here to apply pattern, which will generate a pattern fill layer, or create a pattern preset, and that will just add it to your patterns panel. I'm going to do both. So create pattern preset, and also right click again and apply pattern. So now you can see you've got that pattern fill. You can then modify the scale, say 25 or 100, and then click OK. And there you have it, a very quick hexagon pattern applied in Photoshop. And of course you can go and select any of the others as well. You can see some others here. So simply click and another one that's added. And again, set the value and click OK. So you can go back to this document and simply change the black to white and vice versa, and then add some additional whites or blacks to these. So you can split them up and maybe add another one there. Exactly the same as before. All you need to do is go to the plus in the Libraries panel, click there, extract from image. With that, you can then see hexagon, select that one, and now, because you've got a lot more lines involved, you get a really intense hexagon design in Photoshop. Again, save to CC Libraries, and then you can move it around, reposition it, and create different designs that way. Maybe that one, and save to CC Libraries and close. As before, simply right click and apply pattern, and there you have your hexagon pattern, which you can modify and resize. I've gone for black and white, but you could have used colour as well. Perfectly reasonable to create all kinds of Photoshop colourful hexagons. To find out more about patterns, please check here.